So I went out to start my truck this morning and it wouldn't start. So it's about 24, 27 degrees out today. So I'm thinking it's just the cold doing it. But the battery, charging the battery right now with my battery charge. But I got a friend coming over with his van to try to jump start it, see if it works. And I'll stop the video here in a bit and wait till he gets here, and we'll take a video at trying to start. So there's a couple things that could go wrong. Just the oil gets real thick, and the battery output goes way down. So the oil seems pretty good. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's just the battery though. Not anything wrong with it, because this engine is freshly rebuilt, so it might be glow plugs, I don't know, but we'll see when my friend gets here. So we got my friend here, and we're about to try to start it up. What? Nope. Let it charge up a little bit more. So while I'm waiting, I wanted to show how many degrees it was. It's 23 degrees. So it's pretty cold. Got my friend over there. They're all sitting in their heated car while I'm sitting in here in my cold truck. So we're letting it build up a little bit. Hopefully it's not the grid heater and it's just the battery. So we get to it when we start it up. So we tried it again, and this time we hit the glow plugs twice, and it still didn't start, and there's a whole bunch of lights coming on and stuff. So I don't know what exactly is going on with it. It's probably the grid heater or something, so we're just going to keep on trying until we get to start. Okay, so none of that stuff worked, so they went to go get another vehicle because my friend had to go do something. So I'm going to disconnect the battery cables and try to clean these terminals. I'm using a 1/2 inch socket to get these bolts off. Then I'll use a wire brush to get them off, to clean them off. Oh man, these things are hard to get off. There's so much corrosion on these things, it's kind of hard to get off. Okay. Oh man. Gotta find a screwdriver or something. Oh yeah, finally got it off. Now I can actually get these terminals cleaned off. Socket stuck in there. There you go. Okay. And of course, I'm going to try to stay on the positive side of things. Get it? Yeah. Well, it started. What I had to do was reset the computer, and it started right up that time. So if your truck won't start like it did mine, then disconnect your battery for a while and reset the computer, and that should do it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.